Alright, so today we're going to go through some of the more specific tutorials. So in this case, it's a very popular one. It's the GD chassis. So this is a Hawkeye base light, and we're going to basically show you how to prepare it physically so that the panel will go in as so. So we're going to prepare it by going ahead and taking out the sockets. I've done that already. Ignore that the stud fell out, we can do that later. But you're gonna start with taking out all the screws in the back. So there's a total of 6 screws. One here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. So go ahead and do that. Now that the screws are out, we're going to go ahead and start marking it for cutting. So make sure you use a gold Sharpie. It won't work with any other color. Otherwise your cutting will suck. But, oh, that's hard to see, isn't it? Can you see that? I'm just gonna mark it. So more or less, what you're gonna cut is you're gonna basically cut where that lip is. And then you're gonna cut inside the foam here. So in this area, right there. And then when you reach this area, you're basically going to take your blade and cut right outside the cover. So when you're done with cutting, it should basically look like this. So from the front, right from the side, and then from this side. You can see where it cuts from right under the sheet. So let's go ahead and just get into it. My preferred tool of choice is the gyros. This is a metal cutting blade for plastic. It's very effective. Use gloves, otherwise you'll get stitches. But it's a great tool for cutting, and make sure these blades are designed to cut in one direction, so make sure you keep going in that direction. So we're gonna go ahead and just cut it. There we go. And now just go ahead and once you're at this very last bit, snaps off. So once you have the light separated into 2 halves, we're going to basically pry apart this from the lens. So how you're going to do that is you're going to start away from the light on the very edges, get a flathead screwdriver, and slowly pry at it. Depending on how close you've cut this to the edge, this can be really easy or really hard. In this case, I made my life easier by cutting very close to the edge. I got 1/2 out, and it comes out like that. So be very careful when you do that. But now I have that one piece, this is falling out, and a bulb. And now we have 3 pieces of the light, as such. So this concludes the GD specific disassembly. We'll do a write-up later and some tips and tricks. And then for the next video, we're going to basically show you how to cut this apart to get the panels to fit into. So I'll see you guys later.